Today we are going to discuss about product of two matrices in C language. Product is multiplication of two matrices. For this program, I am going to explain an example. You see here, this is the first matrix A matrix, this is the B matrix. You see here, in the A matrix we have rows, ith row, jth column. 2 rows and 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns, A matrix. In the B matrix, we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, in the second matrix, for example, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. In the first matrix, columns should be equal to the rows. Here, columns, 2 columns should be equal to the second matrix rows. Okay, for example, M by N P by Q matrix. Here our output is in the M by N P by Q, M by Q. Here in the M by N, N, and in the P by Q, P. N should be equal to P. That means first matrix columns and second matrix rows should be equal. Okay, here for the sake of easy understanding, here I have taken 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, in the each matrix, rows referred by I, columns referred by J. Ith row, jth column. Here 2 rows, 2 columns in the A matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns in the B matrix. Okay, here it is I is 1, I is 2 rows. J is 1, J is 2 column for the A matrix. For the B matrix also similar to A matrix we take here. After that, how the multiplication will be there? Here you see 5 into 2. Here these are the coordinate points. First row, first column, first row, second column, like that. Here, you see here, second row, first column element, second row, second column element is 6. Okay, like that. 5, 3, 4, 6, 2, 7, 9, 8. I have taken here the elements. Okay, these are the coordinate point. Where the 5 is there? In the first row and first column. Coordinate point 1, 1. Coordinate point 1, 2 means first row and second column. Like that I have taken for the two matrices. A and this is the A matrix, this is the B matrix. Here I have taken two matrices. Okay, you see here how we will do the multiplication or product. 5 into 2, that means 5 into 2. Here 1 1 coordinate point, 1 1 coordinate point. After that 3 into 9, you see here 3 into 9. Where is the 3? First row, second column. Coordinate point is 1 2. Here ninth element, that is the 9 element is the 9. Second row and first column, it is existed in the second row and first column. So here I have taken the coordinate points 3 into 9. You see here 1 1 1 1. Here first coordinate point is referred by IK. Next one, here this is 5 into 2, IK KJ, IK KJ. Here also IK KJ. KK cancel, then I into J. You see here total K is 1 for this total. That means this 5 into 2, K is 1. Here 3 into 9, K is 2. You see here 3 into 9. You see here K. Here K is 1, K is 1. K is 2, K is 2. Similarly, we are going to the second column. Okay, here J is 2. Okay, you see here 5 into 7. 5 into 7. Where is the 5? 1 1. 7 1 2. First row, second column 1 2. IK KJ. You see here K is the 1. K1 K1. Next 3 into 8. You see 3 is existed at 1 2 coordinate point. Okay, that means first row, second column. 8 is existed second row, second column. Here I have taken 1 2 2 8. You see here K is 1, K is 1, K is 2, K is 2. You see here this total is the J is 2. Here J is 1. You see here K1, K2. J is, you see here J is 1, J is 1. This is total jth column. J is 1. Here J is 2 in the vertical column. Okay, but here K is 1. Here also K is 2. Here K is 1, K is 2. Similarly, we multiply 4 into 2 plus 6 into 9. Here I have taken coordinate points 2 1 1 1. IK KJ. Okay, Whenever we cancel k, I by j matrix. You see here k is 1, k is 2. Here k is 1, k is 2. Okay, here you see 4 into 2 plus 6 into 9. At the time of 4 into 2, k is 1, 6 into 9 in the second row. Okay, now I is 2. You see here I is 2. Second row, na? I is 2. This is the first column. You see here j is 1, j is 1. Second row, that means I is 2. First column, j is 1. Here k is 1, here k is 2. Okay, similarly here we jump to the second column in the second row. You see I is 2. For this total k is 1. For this total k is 2. Here we are in second row, na? That's why I is 2. In the second column, na, you see here j is 2, I is 2, j is 2. Okay, you see here for this, now we are in I is 1, j is 1, k is 1. You see here I is 1, j is 1, k is 1. Here you see here in the ith row, first row, k is 2, j is 1. First column, this total is the first column. You see here I1, j1, k2. Next for this, here I have written. For this, here I have written. Now we are in first row, second column, and k is 2. That's why here I have written. Okay, you see here 5 into 2, 10. 3 into 9, 27. This is k1, k2. Okay, similarly 5 into 7, 35. 3 into 8, 24. Here, how we got? In the first row, second column, k is 1. In the first row, second column, k is 2. Next, similarly, in the second row, I becomes 2. In the first column here, j is 1, k is 1. Here. Next, here, I is 2, k is 2, j is 1. I is 2, j is 1, k is 2. If we go here, j will become 2. I is 2. Here k is 1, here k is 2. You see here for this, now we are in second row, second column, k is 1. But here, I2, k2, j also, second column, na? I2, j2, k2. Okay, 4 into 7, 28, 6 into 8, 48. Okay, so total answer, you see here, result matrix, A into B matrix, result is in C, ith row and jth column. Here, for the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix, A is 2 by 2, B is 2 by 2. So, our result is also 2 by 2 matrix. For example, if we have 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 2 by 2. Okay, for example, 5 by 3, 3 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. Okay, so in the first matrix columns, in the second matrix row should be equal, then only multiplication is possible. Okay, this is an example for the explanation of a program. Now we are going to see how it will be there. You see here two-dimensional matrix for the A. For the B matrix also I have taken two-dimensional. In each matrix, first subscript refers rows, second subscript refers columns. Rows, columns. This C is for result matrix. This I for outer loop for rows, J for columns, K for iterations. Okay, according to the size of the matrix, the iteration should be there for that purpose. Okay, for example, if I want to take dynamically, here we can take m by n. Here I have to take m, here I have to take n. Okay, m and n. Here you can take the maximum size. According to that, you can take here m and n. Okay, here I have taken 2 rows, 2 columns. Na? So maximum 2 rows, 2 columns. That's why I have taken here 2 and 2. Okay, now we know that outer loop and inner loop. Okay, outer loop for rows, inner loop for columns. Okay, first I is 0, j is 0. A of 0, 0. Next, A of 0, 1. Next, A of 1, 0. Next, A of 1, 1. Okay, like that. First outer loop, next inner loop. Whenever we enter in inner loop, the inner loop will be iterated till the condition is true. So, inner loop will be iterated many times. After reading the A matrix elements through the keyboard, we have to take the B matrix elements through the keyboard. For that purpose, we have to take scanf. Unless we can initialize. Okay, if I won't give through the keyboard, here we can directly give. Okay, like this. Here we have to take here only directly. Okay, here we can take like this, then we can give here elements. Okay, for example 2 by 2, 2 comma 4, like this also we can give. Okay, you see 2 by 2 matrix now. 2 by 2 matrix means some 7 comma 9. Okay, you see here, this is the 2 by 2 matrix. This is the initialization. This is the static constant method. Okay, so but here I'm going to read through keyboard, so that's why dynamically I want to give. Okay, that's why I won't use this. Okay, I'm saving the program. Okay, right. Okay, this is the declaration, but I didn't initialize values. Why? Because I'm going to read values through the keyboard for the matrix A. Similarly, I will read the matrix elements for the B through keyboard. Okay, here I is 0, outer loop for rows, inner loop for columns for the B matrix. Okay, here I is 0, J is 0. B of 0th row, 0th column elements, we read the element. Next, I is 0, B is 1. Okay, 0th row, first column. Next, I becomes 1, J is 0, 1 of 0. Okay, next, I is 1 only, J is 1, 1 of 1. Okay, like that it will be iterated till the condition is true. Okay, we read the rows and columns of the values. After that, now we are going to enter into the calculation part. Outer loop for rows, inner loop for columns. Here, according to the size, first matrix columns and second matrix rows. For that purpose, here we take this K. According to that, we take. For example, if I take M by N and P by Q matrix, here I have to take M. Here I have to take, our result is M by N, P by Q, M by Q na. Here M, here last one is the Q. Here inside N and P na, here we can take either N or P. Okay, first matrix column, that is the M by N, in the M by N, N. Or we can take column of the second matrix, that is P. Okay, here M, here Q. M by N, P by Q. A matrix M by N, B matrix P by Q. What is the result? M by Q matrix. That's why here I have to take M, here I have to take Q. Here I have to take either N or P in middle. Okay, then only it's possible. Okay, first matrix column, second matrix row. Second matrix row. Okay, now we are going to enter in a similar way earlier what we have seen. First 0th row, 0th column. Okay, according to that, 0, first C of ij, I initialize the 0, 0 plus A of ik into kj. Earlier we have seen first matrix element, second matrix element, first element, 0th row, 0th column. Next, in the second matrix, 0th row, 0th column. You see here, I1, K1, you see here, I1, I0, J0, K0. Okay, like that. You see here, here I have taken 1 1, but here 0 0. Okay, I0, K0, J also 0. Okay, here also, for example, if I take here 0, I0, K is 2, J also 0. Okay, first loop iteration. Next time, second loop iteration. You see here, first I0, J0, K0, A of 0 0, B of 0 0. Next, K loop will be iterated. K is 1. Okay, here like this. First here it is K0, K1. Second iteration. Here K loop will be iterated 2 times. At the time J is, you see here, I0, J0, K0. Next K is 1. Okay, then here this loop will be iterated 2 times. Then we will get these 2 values. K is 0, K is 1. After that, J will be incremented. Now J will be incremented. I is 0, J is 1 only. At the time, that means we are going to enter into the second column. In the second column, K loop will be iterated 2 times. You see here, in the second column, K loop, first iteration, K loop, second iteration. Okay, then 2 times iterated na, 0 time and first time. Next I will be incremented as 1. Okay, at the time of I is 1, you see here I1 J0 K0, I1 J0 K2. You see here in the second iteration, that is the 1, that means second row. Okay, J is 0, first column. Okay, K will be iterated 2 times. You see here in the second row, K first iteration, K second iteration. After that J loop will be incremented, J will be incremented. Okay, next this loop will be iterated 2 times in the next column. In the next column, K one time iteration, K next time iteration, K is 0, K is 1. Here I have taken K1, K2, but in our program K is 0, K is 1, K is 0, K is 1, K is 0, K is 1, like that. Here I is 0, I is 1, J is 0, J is 1. For easy understanding, I have taken here I is 1, I is 2, J is 1, J is 2. But according to our program, I is 0, I is 1, J is 0, J is 1. Okay, you see here in the first row, okay, I1 J1 K1, I1 J1 K2, I1 J2 K1, I1 J2 K2, I2 J1 K1, I2 J1 K2. Next here I2 J2 K1, here I2 J2 K2, like that. Here loop iteration will be there. Okay, here K will be iterated 2 times, here also K iterated 2 times, here also K iterated 2 times, here also K iterated 2 times. After that 5 into 2, like this we will get the values. 5 into 2 10, 3 into 9 27. You see here first this result will be stored in the C matrix. 0 plus, here 0, C of ij is 0, 0 plus this result, that means 0 plus 10. You see here 0 plus 10. In the next iteration, that result will be stored in the 10 will be stored in the C of ij. What is there? 10. 5 into 2 is the 10. 10 will be stored in the C of ij. Next 10 plus 27. Here 10 plus 27. The total will be stored here in C of ij. You see here the 10 plus 27, what is that? 37 will be stored in the C of ij. Okay, in each iteration the result, next time C of ij 0 plus this one. Next in the C of ij 35 will be stored C of ij plus A of ik into kj, that is this one. 35 plus 24 will be stored in the C of ij. First time in the C of ij this will be stored 0 plus 35. Next time in the C of ij 35 will be stored. After that 35 plus this result, 35 plus 24, total 59 will be stored in this. Okay, like that the loop will be iterated. Next we will get the result matrix. You see here, for example, here if I take m by n A matrix, for B matrix P by Q, then m by Q. Here I have to take m, here I have to take q. M by n, P by Q. N and P will be cancelled, m by Q is the result. For example, 5 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 3. At the time here I have to take in the 5 by 2 5, in the 2 by 3 here 3. Okay, the result matrix rows and columns. This is the row, this is the column of the result matrix. This is the result matrix. What is there? What is stored in the memory? We display on the screen. After each element, I want to take 7 character space. Why? Because all the elements will be displayed side by side. Then we will be confused. To overcome that problem, okay, we give here slash t. Tab space means 7 character space. After each and every row, after completion, this J refers rows. After completion of these rows, we have to go to this is a column. This loop refers columns. Okay, in a 0th row, j is 0, j is 1. In a 0th row, in the 2 by 2 matrix, 2 columns. Okay, that after that we have to go to next row. For that purpose, we take here printf, cursor goes to next line. That means we will enter into the next row. Then I will be incremented. After we go to next line, next row, I will be incremented. That means we will go to next row. Okay, next return 0. Why we have written here? This our main function, int main. That main function will return 0. After successful completion of the program, our compiler will tell to operating system, we successfully compiled and we got the output. So this program will be removed from the main memory. Okay, this is the program. Now we are going to see the execution of this program. You see here, first compile. In our compilation, we got 0 errors and 0 warnings. After compiling, during the compilation, we will get the object code. We successfully compiled. We got 0 errors. Now we are going to run the program, run or execute. Okay, here it is asking enter the elements. Here I am going to give same elements 5 3 4 6 5 3 4 6. Next B matrix elements, here 2 7 9 8 we have given earlier, 2 7 9 8, 2 7 9 8 for the B matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. You see here, earlier what we have seen the example like that, we got here the result for the C matrix. This is the execution of this program and the product of the two matrices. Okay, thank you for watching this program. If you like it, please share and subscribe.